Hey, why all of a sudden you say, I'm going to mess with your car? Why my car? Why not my truck? Huh? Come on, speak. I got it on tape.
What?
She says she's going to mess with my car.
Because
I got it on tape.
You hit my hand and
You were shining that in my eye. Shining in Mama's eye. See how much she likes it.
You hit my
Put
hand.
it in her eyes.
Oh, it's on here how close I was.
Oh, yeah, it's in my eyes. Get it out of my eyes.
You touched me.
Turn your light. Call. I just touched you. Call the cops.
Touch me. No,
I did touch you. I just touched you. Call them. Call them. Get that light out of my eye.
You don't hate it.
Get the light out of my eye.
Don't put the eye.
Tell her get the light out, Mom. Tell her get the light out of my eyes.
Yeah, he make more mad, you know.
Yeah, but that's what she wants to do.
Don't put the hand.
Look at her. Look how she's sitting. Ain't she a clown?
I'm getting the light
And see how she's keeping the light in my face.
out of your eyes, honey.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay, thank you. Yeah. So what about my car? What are you gonna do with my car? Huh? You said you're gonna mess with my car.
You hit it.
Why my car?
Hit me again.
Why my car?
Hit me again.
Why my car?
That's only
Why not just break something of mine? Why my car?
Because you like it.
Because you know it's $100,000 car and you're jealous.